Okarun in his granny form, but not like with the big teeth. So I don't know what this is called or anything. It was in the episode last week, I think. So, glasses, right? Not easy to draw glasses. If you need a compass or like a stencil for circles, stuff like that, get one of them. I should get one. But I always say it, but I never do. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, which sometimes I do, I'm sorry. Center point. Sigh, big sigh. Center point of my page here, right? And then we go kind of typical anime eye style. So it goes diagonal there, and it curves across. Now he has like eyeshadow and stuff around his eye, or that's what it looks like. But we will do this first. Where does that go? What is that? Where am I? There. This is like behind his glasses, but we'll draw it all in and we can erase stuff after, right? It's easier to kind of draw it all in. And then, so this kind of goes back down then, right? So it goes, got like a little sort of eyelash situation there. And then it go back down towards the front, right? Right, and I'll just darken this a bit. Okay. So he's looking that way in the anime, but I'm going to get him to look this way. So we'll go sort of this half moon sort of shape here. And then his pupil. Color black. Okay. So he's got this eyeshadow, like as I said, sort of situation around his eye. So we just go kind of around it, right? It's kind of, it looks brown or red. I'm not sure. Not sure what the official color is. I think red, but that looks brown. Okay, it's kind of like that. I probably did it a bit bigger, but it looks cool. Eyebrow. Yeah, eyebrow here. Real square. That way. And then goes kind of behind his hair, but again, we'll draw it in, right? You want a little spike on the end. And then bring it towards the front. And then they do texture lines. Okay, that's his eye. Okay, pretty much. Now, we'll get a shape for his face and then try and do those lenses. So we'll just go down from here, right? So kind of like lower down than his eye, we have his nose, right? And it's like a little L shape. Like that, right? L or 7, upside down 7. Then we got a nostril there. And then shape for his face, starting to curve that way, right? Curves out and in, and then it goes in to out there. So it's like a slight, like a shallow S, sort of curvy, like a snake. And then his chin is here. Okay, you can do chins pointier or curvier, it's up to you. His kind of changes. And then, so his mouth, so we go, it's kind of just like downturned, like so. For some reason, I've made him look way more serious. And right, so now it gets hard. So we're going to go, well, not now. We're going to go, what kind of collar, right? And it's kind of like oozing sort of fire, right? And it kind of cuts off his ear and stuff. There's like this little sort of bobbling shapes and stuff. You could do this sort of any way you want, really. You don't have to do it the way I'm doing it. I'm just doing this first because it's kind of in the way, right? So it's like a flame there. And then we have an ear. Curving around here. And there's like ear lines there. Okay. So glasses. So coming over the nose, right? We have this curvy line. And it's a double, so you go again. And then he has that thing that sits on his face. Bit of an edge line. Like so. So we have two circles, right? So they're not perfect circles, they're kind of elongated. So the bottom of it will be here. Okay. They kind of get a bit, they're skinny, right? And the top, where would the top be? So like up here, but his hair covers it. Like here. So try and join these now. Incredibly difficult to get the right shape now. It connects there. Right, and then that's an edge line. Oh yeah, so it has, so this goes around. Okay, right. That's kind of the shape, right? And then it has an edge, so you can see like the corner of the glass like itself. So you gotta go around again. Right, just a little edge line, just following the edge of that. Okay, makes it look a little bit 3D. And like that's like shaded gray. And like that's see-through. And there's like a little white highlight or something. And then that runs to his ear, but we'll just try and get this other circle in first, right? So top of it here. It's an ellipse, actually. It's not really a circle. So we're kind of diagonal down now. Okay, it's not like, they're not like level. So glasses, chains, guns, all these things are hard to draw because they're man-made objects. They're very precise and they're easy to mess them up. So even if you need to trace this part, you can, obviously. Nothing wrong with it. Animators do that. Like if you're looking to get those nice crisp circles, shapes, and stencils. I think they put them little hatching lines just there. And then there's a little sort of box at that side. And the rest of his forehead just goes this way. And the bar that runs towards, so where's that? Okay, so we'll go this way. It's got like extra details and stuff here. It's kind of confusing. So there's like a little bar there, but the eye is like messing it up. It just goes that way, behind his ear. And it's got like a little edge 3D line. Just going that way. So like I'll erase stuff inside here, so it's like you can't see his eye lines under there. Now hair, we'll have to draw it in. They just do sort of white lines, so they just do color. So we'll have to draw in everything. Sideburns, and then it goes this way. And then he has like nothing but fringe, right? So spiky fringe. You could do this any way you want, really. I'm just roughly copying what I see. What way does that one go? Okay, so this one comes out from, say, here, goes up. I think there's another line there. Of course, he's got all those red lines on it as well. Next one. Going that way. This one kind of sticks out here over these glasses. Do. And then going in towards his head, and then we got these little V sort of zigzag shapes for his hairline just underneath, and then like textures running up this way. Okay, now the rest of that hair. So a couple more, one more going that way, and then the rest go back. And I think we got one actually under here as well. So another one like that, and then this seems to go all wavy like that. Of course, there's red coloring on some of it. And something else here. So I think a couple of these are different now, but right, so where's that next one? So it comes from here, I think. Bit of a spiral on that one. Okay, that'll do. And then you add like streaks of red sort of on the edges of these. So, a bit more of this color now. So, again, kind of like dark. And there's like a line going this way for his shoulder, chest on the other side, and then shoulder seems to go out and down that way. No more folding lines on it, but maybe I will, just to make it look a bit better. Right, and then he's got like all this sort of ooze. Floating around his head. Okay. And oh yeah, on his face he's got red lines. They're not drawn with black ink, but we will draw them. So okay. Did I miss anything? Probably. No. Okay. Okarun. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.